Hi, welcome back to the Max video, all of you. So, easy conceptual learning by Saujanya. Yes. So, today we are back actually with a problem from a quadratic equations for class 10. So, this is one of the critical problem actually where the children face a little bit of problem like how to solve it and how should we analyze the problem and all. So, let us go in. Actually, we have written the problem on the board, but I know it is very too small, but actually I will tell you regarding studying how to study that problem and how to analyze that problem clearly and then show you the solution. Is that clear? Yes. So welcome back to the Max video once again with a quadratic problem. Yes. So now let me learn you the question. First analyzation lies only in the questioning reading. Okay. So two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. So that is the first point which is given to us. Yes or no? So immediately as soon as you read the first point, that means to the numerical value, try to write what is given for you. So two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/hours. Okay. The total time taken by two taps. So the total time taken by the two taps becomes 9 3/8 hours. Now it is your time to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 8 9s are is how much? 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 3 75. 75/8 hours. So either you can write in this way or this way. Okay. Yes. Now the tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. Okay, to fill the smaller one, to fill the tank. Okay, so it takes 10 hours less. It seems, usually when there are two taps, like one may be the bigger one and one may be the smaller one. Yes or no? So now let me write time taken by the smaller one, the smaller tap. Suppose you take x hours. Smaller one is x hours. Okay. Now, what is the time taken by the bigger one? The time taken by the larger tap is equals to x minus 10 hours. So, what did they tell? The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. 10 hours less than the smaller one. Suppose the smaller tap is filling the tank in 20 hours. The bigger one is filling in 10 hours only. Okay, so that is the reason why the time taken by the larger tap, we have written it as x minus 10 hours. Now, so this is what is given. So they are asking separately. Find the time at which each tap can separately fill the tank. In the sense, suppose we should know how they fill. All are given in hours. Yes or no? Yes. So you should know. See, suppose if I am doing a work in 4 hours. That means in 1 hour, quarter of my work will be done. That means 1/4 of my work will be done. Yes or no? In the same way, if the time taken by the smaller tap is x hours, so what will the time be? Time taken by smaller tap in 1 hour. How it will take? 1/x hours. Is that clear? Yes. Now in the similar manner, time taken by the larger tap in 1 hour, that also in 1 hour, is 1/x minus 10 hours. Is that clear? Yes. Now, time taken by both the taps to fill the tank. That means time taken by both of them in 1 hour. Time taken by both of them in 1 hour. Time taken by both in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour. So how much it is taking? If it is taking total time taken is 75/8 hours. This is 8/75 hours it will take. Okay, now let us form into a quadratic equation. Make a formula. So what will happen? See, look here, both of them together, this is yes or no? So 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equals to 8 by 75. So this is how you write your quadratic equation, and now you start the quadratic equation. Take the LCM x into x minus 10, where you write x minus 10 plus x is equals to 8 by 75. So here nothing gets cancelled, so it becomes 2x minus 10 by x square minus 10x is equals to 8 by 75. But here you can take out 2 actually. So if you take out 2, what will happen? X minus 5 by x square minus 10x is equals to 8 by 75. This 2 will get cancelled here in 4 times. Now cross multiply. 75x cross multiply. 75x minus 75 into 5. How much? 25, 35 and 375. 375 is equals to 4x square minus 40x. Now see, x square is this side, so let me write all towards that side, 4x square. So let me write this one also, minus 40x minus 75x plus 375 equals to 0. Okay, now make it into a quadratic equation for factorizing the thing. Now 4x square minus, now both are having the similar sign, yes or no? So 40 plus 75, what is 40 plus 75? Yes sir. See, if you just make us think, children, if you just add 25 to that, what will happen? It will become 100. Yes, if you become 20, but 25, if you add, it will become 100 here. So what will be remained in 40? 15. So it becomes 115x plus 375 equals to 0. And now you have to make it up the factorization. Now see how to factorize. So 4 and 375. So 375. Make sure 375 times of 4 becomes your factor. So 2, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2, 30 here, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. So 1500. For 1500 you need to make a factorization such that you get 115. Such that you get 115. You make it a factor. Yes or no? Add both. Minus 15x plus 375 equals to 0. So take common here, 4x, x minus 25 minus 15. If you take common, x minus 25 equals to 0. X minus 25 into 4x minus 15 equals to 0. Here you are having two x values. Two x values you are having, where x is equals to 25. X is equals to 25 hours is one, and the other one is actually 4x minus 15 equals to 0, where x equals to 15 by 4. 15 by 4. So these are the thing. But now what is happening here? See, we are having here 25 hours is one, and what is other one? 15 by 4. When you are getting two things, children, two x values, you should be able to analyze which one will be the apt for the answer. See, 25 hours is given and 15 by 4 hours is given. Yes or no? 15 by 4 means what, children? It becomes 15 by 4. Suppose you divide it. So what will happen? 3 point. So 4 3 is 12, and you will have 3 remainder. So when you have 3 remainder, what will happen? It becomes 7. So 3.7. So 3.7 something hours you will get it. So we have two values of x here, that is 25 hours is one, and the second one is 3.75 hours. Okay, so two options are given for us actually to choose which one will be the correct for the answer. So 25 hours will be the correct one. Why? Because see, very less it is. So 3.75 doesn't match with the remaining hours. Why? Because even if you have to subtract 3 minus 10, you have to do it, goes into negative. Yes or no? So 25 becomes the correct answer, and the time taken by the smaller tap is 25 hours, and the time taken by the larger tap is 25 minus 10, which is 15 hours. So your final statement of this will be the time taken by the smaller tap. Time taken by the smaller tap is 25 hours and the time taken by the larger tap is 25 minus 10, which is 15 hours. So I hope you understood this problem, children. So is everything clear for you? So in this way, we'll be doing the problem of this one. And let us meet in the next video with another difficult problem in quadratic equations. Until then, please watch it carefully, write it carefully and analyze each and every problem carefully. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you.